Hello guys, welcome again to another edition of your everyday computer software tips and tricks. Today I'll be sharing with you a very simple tip about how to share your portfolio online, maybe as a graphic designer or as a web developer. So without wasting time, let's just begin. So this is the website, it's known as Card with double R. So to go to the website, type card.co into your URL bar and it will take you straight to what you are seeing right here. So it says Card is a simple, free, and fully responsive one-page site for pretty much anything. So when you scroll down, you can see just a preview of some of the things that you can do with this website. So you just go right up here and just click on starting point. So when you click on starting point, it will give you a preview of some of the templates. Some of them are paid for, meaning that you have to, go for the pro account before you can use those ones. But there are a lot of free ones that you can actually use. So let's just go to portfolio, and then some nicely done templates will load up for you. So I've already created an account, so I'll just take you straight to the dashboard. So once you create an account and you're able to log in, this is my dashboard with my account, and I would want to show you how the site works. I'll just try and create a new site. So as you can see here, you click on the button that says new site and it will take us to where we started from, where it just gives you a preview of some of the portfolios. So click on portfolio again, and let's just pick one of the free templates. So select. So as you can see, this is a very simple one where you can put your picture here and then you can display some of your works or images of your works also in these boxes that you can see over here. So whichever box that you click, these are images. You can edit the text as you see fit. Just click on it and you can edit it on the side over here. If you do not want any of the text in here, you can just select it and then click on delete. I think delete might be somewhere here. Yes, so delete is here. You can just delete them if you don't want them. In my case, I'll just maintain it. So let's just say this is a template we picked. So all we need to do is, you see these icons here, all you need to do is click on them and then go to the left side and then put in the right URL in there as well. So you can see an Instagram icon here. You can see for TikTok, Twitter, and any other link that you want to put down here. And then your email me, you can click on that and put in your email address where people can reach you on. So this is just a simple template. Let me show you the one that I created for myself. So back again to my dashboard. This is my website. So I'll click on this and it will load it up in just a few seconds. So this is the one that I use, the same template that I just showed you to create this. So I just put in my picture here, my name, and then when you scroll down, these are some of the images I put in of an image of some of the websites that I built. And then I just cloned this section for digital and print designs, as you can see over here. So you can create as many images or put in there as many images as you want. A section for the logos as well, and for the email me, for the links in here, I've also put in the links that I would want to be contacted on Instagram, Twitter, and for each of them I just added my Instagram account. So as you can see over here, for my WhatsApp, if you want to add your WhatsApp contact, This is how you're supposed to add it as a URL. So you can do https colon /2// wa.me, and then you add your number to it. So because I've created this already, if you were creating it as a new website, you would normally see publish over here. But for now, because I've already created a website, I'm just editing it. So that is why you are seeing done over here. So once I'm done with all the changes I want to make, I just click on done and then come up here to save. So it says publish this website or save this website. And then there's a confirmation will pop up from the left side that says publish changes. So any change that you make to it will be published before you can send it to anyone. So it says done, site successfully published to yaudako.co. So this will be my URL. So with this, you can send this URL to anybody who asks for a link to your portfolio. So this is basically it. You can actually view the site here and it will load the site up for you. So yes, and what I really like about the website also is it's very responsive. So whether it's being viewed on a mobile phone, as you can see over here, it's fully responsive. It arranges everything nicely. If the person is viewing it on a phone or on a tablet or on a bigger device. So yeah, basically this is the site. It creates very simple and beautiful portfolios which you can send to anybody or anyone who's looking to get a preview of what you do or of some of the works or projects that you've worked on. So there you have it. This is how you create a very simple and free portfolio for yourself to showcase what you do. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button or the notification bell and like the video so that you don't miss any new videos or any new tutorials that I'll be uploading very soon. Thank you once again for joining me. Stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you later.